So for my lips, I'm using Classic in Thunder.
Baby boy, you got no money, yeah, I know. Every day I see the struggles, and you know, one day shall say a horse will go blow. I don't mind to wait, baby. But let go my sorrow, baby, boy, you know. Say my love for you, no, say nobody know.
So I'm going to press your lips together to blend the lipstick. I'm using the foundation, the Makeup Forever foundation, and I'm going to be using a shade. So this is the shade from there. I'm going to pick and put in the center part. After doing that, I'm going to use a brush and blend.
Don't forget your promise when the money comes. Don't say I'm not your standard anymore. I go swear for you, baby, while I eat that lie. Promise you won't go away. Trips to Paris, when we are the things I like. Signs you believe, but baby boy, I'm yours.
I'm blending the edges of the lipstick. I mean, where the darkest, the deep one meets with the middle one. That is where I'm using. That is where I'm blending with my brush. I'm not going to go to the middle part. So I'm going to be going ahead to use a lip gloss. So I'm going to press my lips with this brush. This is how to get a nude glossy full lips. I hope you guys like this lipstick. So if you like this look, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like my hair, guys, I also filmed a tutorial on how to, guys, you need to see my natural hair. It's so short, and I fixed a ponytail with it, and it looks really nice, guys. I hope you guys like this look. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I